and welcome back to my channel. For all those of you who are new, hi, my name is Tuhin and I'm back with another video. So this time, as you can read from the title, I am going to take you through the entire vacation. Like it was like a tour, one and a half day tour down the memory lane to my entire school life that was in Panipat. So I visited Panipat about like after 2.5 years. But then again, when you visit your town, when you visit your space, where you visit the place that you've grown up in, you just don't tend to just go get the work done and you just leave. So you meet a lot of people, you go places, you do a lot of stuff. So I thought, why not to share this wonderful journey with you guys on my channel who like to watch the content that I'm making. So yeah, you guys are also an integral part of my life, and I wanted to share the past, say, 18 years of my life. But again, there were some portions of my days that I did not vlog. That was only for the reason that there were a lot of people who weren't really comfortable with the camera, and I totally I totally respect their personal space. I respect their opinion of not being put on a spotlight and on a YouTube channel and everything like that. Not everybody has the same perspective as I have. So because of that, there are certain places and there are certain time slots of the day that I haven't vlogged in, because there were certain people who weren't really comfortable with the camera around them, and also I wanted to enjoy some quality time with all those people. So because of that, I tried to not film anything at all in those durations. But no worries, I'll sit down here, I'll talk you guys through what I actually did and stuff like that. So yeah, with that being said, you guys are going to see me only talking from here. Like the entire vlog, I was behind the camera and you will not be able to see my face, because I was just trying to capture each and every moment that I could, each and every place that I found that yeah, this is something that I want to create as a memory and look back onto in the next 5 years or something like that. So yeah, this vlog basically has like all of those moments. But again, there are a couple of them that I captured just in pictures that I would like to keep to myself. And with that being said, I think that's all. And without any further ado, we should get started with this vlog. So now that you have seen the, you know, us reaching up until Panipat, so I'll tell you just in a brief what actually happened in that entire duration. So we started off from Kanpur at about 4:45 in the morning, and then we took the entire journey. We did not take much of stops. We just took one or two pit stops for using the restroom and stuff like that. And after that, we reached Panipat at about 1 or 2 in the afternoon, somewhere in that duration. And once we reached, you must have seen that scene that where we meet Rajni ma'am, and she was a very kind host, and we stayed at her place for all the entire duration while we were in Panipat. So yeah, I was there, and then after that, you must have also seen Sanit there, her younger son. So yeah, that was her family and everybody. So we were just all greeting. Now in the last scene, you must have seen us screaming and running down. That was purely because me, my mom, and my sister, all three of us are scared of pets and dogs and everything. Like I become cordial after some point of time. Like I need to spend some time with them, like about a couple of hours, and then I can be like, yeah, okay, I can be around them. But my mom and sister cannot withstand pets. They're scared. So what basically happened was Rajni ma'am's pet buddy, he came running towards us, and all three of us, we just freaked and we just ran down like anything. So that was the ending of the clip. And after that, in that entire day, I did not vlog anything, only for the reason because everybody was in their pajamas and everybody was having a lot of fun time. But basically that fun was like all of us sitting together, chatting, having meals together, enjoying ourselves. And that was the time, I think, that it is a quality time, and everybody likes to be in their own personal space and does not want to be intruded with. So because of that, I was very I was like, okay, fine, I will not do that. I will not shoot in this duration because everybody was just, trying to catch up on the events that took place in the past 2 years, and we were all just talking and giggling and laughing and just discussing everything that went down in the past 2 years. So yeah, that was like a really, really fun time. And I felt like that, no, this is something that I just want to enjoy. I don't want to place a camera and just record everything. I just want to be in that moment and just enjoy it. So yeah, that was our entire like first day, and all of us just hung around and had a lot of fun. We just talked and giggled and stuff like that happened. So yeah, that was the first day that we have. And now for the second day, obviously the next day we went to my school because that was the only entire day that we were staying in Panipat. So yeah, then we went off to school on the next day, and now I will see you guys once we are done with the school clips that I filmed over there. Let's go and see what my school looks like. now that you have seen my entire school, I really hope you guys have enjoyed by, looking at the place where I used to study and the places where I lived and everything. Now, one thing that happened was that while I was vlogging in my school, some sort of glitch happened with the clips where I filmed the canteen area and my girls hostel and the pre-primary wing. So these three places were there while I was vlogging, and some sort of glitch happened. I recorded it, but then again the clips just went berserkers and I was like, okay, I cannot add that to the vlog. But anyways, so canteen is obviously the heart of the school. Everybody likes to hang around there. And then girls hostel is obviously the place where I used to stay. And then the pre-primary wing is the place, it's just like the ground floor is the pre-primary wing and the first and the second floor is like the girls hostel. So that is the entire building, and that is when we just come to the end of the entire school vlog and everything. And now after that, after we were done with the school vlog and everything, I me and my mom, both of us, we came back to Rajni ma'am's place, and my sister, she took off with one of her friends because she wanted to hang around with all her childhood buddies. Like after so long she was visiting and she wanted to hang around with all of her childhood buddies who she had spent time with in the entire duration when we were in Panipat. So she wanted to spend some time with them. And with that being said, I'll see you guys after I add the clips of us having fun, like super super fun at Rajni ma'am's place. Because if you guys don't know me from school and if you guys are watching this, then you would definitely not know that I was a great friend to my teachers. So in the next clips you're going to see like three of my other teachers. Like Rajni ma'am was one of my teachers, my mom was one of my teachers, and then other than those two people, the next three teachers who you're going to see in this vlog are Ricky sir, Ronit sir, and Sangeeta ma'am. So Sangeeta ma'am is the music teacher. Mishra sir wasn't there, so Sangeeta ma'am is the music teacher, and then Ronit sir and Ricky sir are the dance teachers. Now what basically went on was, because my mom was a part of the dance department, so I used to always go there. I always used to hang around in the dance room and everything, and I made great friends out of all the dance department teachers and everything. So I used to have a lot of fun with them. I used to enjoy my time with them in the dance room. So yeah, now the people that you will be seeing with are the teacher buddies that I have. I don't know if that's a term or something, but it's going to be like they were great friends of mine. They are great friends of mine, but again, they are my teachers and everything. So yeah, be sure to make sure that you watch those clips, because we were having a lot of fun. We had a blast when we were at Rajni ma'am's place, and when all of them came over, we had a lot of pranks, we played games, we did shoot some stuff because all of us are into shooting. Somebody has their own Insta handle, somebody is into acting, somebody is into dancing, and we were all just creative people in one room, and we were filming some things, we were having fun, we were giggling around, we were playing games. So yeah, that is like a very very fun clip, and I really hope you guys are going to enjoy this part, because all of us are just laughing in this entire duration. So enjoy. I'm not going to take much time. You just need to see that. You're going to enjoy that completely. So let's go and see that. Okay, so now that you must have seen all those clippings and everything, I don't know if you guys can imagine your teachers in this way or not, but honestly, uh, my teachers were always like this. I mean, not just like this, because this is obviously their personal uh, lookout and everything. Like, they are comfortable doing all of this around me. But then again, not like all of my teachers, but yeah, most of my teachers were like, they were they were not just my teachers, they were like really great friends who I could talk to, who I could have fun with, who I could enjoy with, who I could connect to, who I could discuss my personal stuff also with. So they weren't just like my teachers that they are there to teach me, but rather they were like these people who I could personally connect with, and I could talk to them about anything and everything. So that is why when I talk about my teachers, like, I had a great bond with like most of them, no matter what the circumstances. But yeah, I always had a great bond with my teachers. But obviously in the school, on the day we went, not many of them were there. So yeah, obviously that was that. I did meet my principal ma'am and a couple of people from the admin department. But then again, obviously, because the school was off because of pandemic and everything, so yeah, I couldn't meet any of other of my teachers. But anyways, no worries. And now that you've seen most of my second day, I would like to tell you that after this, I did not vlog. So Rajni ma'am is basically not just a housemaker. She was my teacher before, and now that she has left teaching, you must have seen her. I don't know if you guys must have seen her ads or something like that. But now she's into acting, and she has been getting like really great ads and everything. So she had an ad shoot, she had an audition and stuff like that. So we helped her film a couple of stuff, and then she filmed a couple of stuff for my YouTube channel. So obviously you're going to see another video of these people, and specifically Rajni ma'am in the frame, because obviously we filmed another video and you are going to love that video like a lot. So we filmed a couple of stuff and everything, and by midnight as well, we were just filming, we were having fun, we shot a couple of Instagram reels and everything. So that was a lot of fun. We enjoyed a meal together and everything like that. We filmed a couple of stuff and all of that sort. So yeah, in all, that day was like super productive, like going to school, getting the work done, and then meeting my teachers and everything, vlogging around the school, creating memories, reliving those lovely moments that I had at school. So I did all of that, and then I did what I love most, filming. So I was behind the screen filming some stuff, and then I was on the screen and filming some other stuff and stuff like that. So I mean, a lot had happened, and I'm still trying to process all that has happened on that day and everything of that sort. With that being said, that was the end of day 2, and day 3, morning 7 o'clock, about like 7:15 ish, we left on the 21st of March 2021. We left from Panipat, and then we um, came to Faridabad, where I am right now, and I'm filming all these sit down clips for this vlog and everything, so that you guys know that yeah, okay, this after this went through, because there were a certain couple of places where I did not film and everything. So that is where I'm filming. Basically, if you guys have enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the bell notifications so that you are notified on all the future updates. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram, because obviously if you want to keep up with my daily life and know what I'm doing on a daily basis, and not just watch it after like 3 or 4 days or a week or something, then if you would like to keep up with my daily life, then you should definitely go and follow me on Instagram, because why not? There are a couple of really fun activities that I have planned for my Instagram. And I'm going to go through with them once I get back from vacations and everything. So yeah, now that we have reached the end of this video, I would like to say that I'll see you guys again next week. Until then, Bye, guys.